Welcome today in front of me new iPad Air 2022, the Wi-Fi edition and 5th generation, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device with the help of the decibel meter. And now I'll set here the maximum mode of the decibel meter, and the maximum mode means that's when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our speakers here, so when the value here on the display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, our iPad Air reached 110.4 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.